everybody, and welcome to another ride out on the MT-01. And today I've decided to pop up to Cheddar Gorge, or as it's affectionately named, the Cheesy Crack sometimes. And today I'm going to put the 360 camera on. I'm going to ride through the gorge, give you a nice little view of the gorge and all the rocks and stuff like that. There's also biker pics here, so I'm hoping that we will get some nice pictures of me on the bike from biker pics, so we'll get that checked out. We've only got a few minutes until we get there. It's the King's coronation this weekend, so I'm hoping it won't be too busy up here, but we'll see. Watched a bit of it on the telly yesterday. I'm not a massive royal person, but I appreciate it. I'm not gonna diss them or big them up in any way. They are what they are. It's nice to see a bit of patriotism, at least, with the Union Jacks displayed around the place on some people's houses. Doesn't matter whether you do or don't. I think most people are just thankful for the extra bank holiday. Aren't we all thankful for an extra bank holiday? Nice little villages around here. Bumpy roads everywhere at the moment. It's looking a little bit overcast, which is worrying. It's not supposed to rain today. It's supposed to be one of the few days that it's nice. I think we are nearly here. Yeah. Let's get my little 360 camera on. Well, here we are at the bottom of Cheddar Gorge, I think. We'll find out in a minute. So we're going to take a little ride up through, and then I think I'll stop for a little cup of tea, because like I said, biker pics are here, or bike pics, can't remember exactly what they're called, and then hopefully I'll get a nice picture of me on the bike, and that's about it. So let's go from here. And that might be the end of the trip today. That might be it. Let's go. A lovely little village at the bottom of Cheddar Gorge. You can see just up there behind the trees the cliffs. Coming through the bottom village. Hopefully, because it's relatively early on a Sunday morning, it'll be pretty quiet. times because I want a nice picture. I think I've got some nice pictures now. Right, let's head back and hopefully get some more footage. One of these little goats! Look at the little goats! Right. I think I've got a couple of decent pictures with me on the bike. Nice. Nice wavy one. This is a stunning piece of countryside. Now the problem you've got obviously is everybody wants to be here on a weekend. It's quite early in the morning, what is it, 9 o'clock? Well, it's early for some. So it's not too bad at the moment. But I can imagine peak summertime, this place is rammed. The height of summer, this must be absolutely heaving. It's quite an interesting place, to be honest with you. When you look at these cliffs, they're just absolutely amazing. It just feels like, well, it would have been, I suppose, in that period of time, it would have been a river or something cutting through the valley, and over time it's left this great big crack. People doing some climbing up there. Yeah, I mean, but obviously it is a tourist trap. Everybody wants to come and see it. It's a very impressive place to come and see, and I definitely recommend you visit. On the bike or with the family in the car, just get here early, bring your dog up, look at the goats, there's loads of goats everywhere. Which is pretty cool. I think I'll do one more pass through, probably risking it. There we go. No, I'm gonna have to stop. I'm going home. I'm going home. That was so lucky. I can't stop now. You've got to keep the revs up. I'm gutted. Absolutely gutted. Oh well. Oh, you swine. Right, I can't stop. I've just got to keep going. My alternator's obviously died. Not alternator. My rectifier has obviously died again. I need to get that looked into as to why it's doing that. Really lucky that the bike managed to restart. I've got to try and remember the way home now without stopping to get my phone out, because I've got to keep the revs up. Yeah, it's interesting. Well, I haven't got enough footage for the of the gorge, the cheesy crack. Anyway, until next time, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC.